It was interesting. Sorry.
She ate our dessert, too. An entire cheesecake.
Was that wrong?
Ooh. Man, never too early in the day for some hooch, am I right? Go ahead, drink up.
What do you have to say for yourself, Brittany?
I ate 2 boxes of shumai. I got the pork sweats.
All right, I'll be up in a minute.
I'm gross. Let's do this.
Sauerkraut Malone! Did you really think you could eat more than me?
But there's no more shrimp left for your friends.
Beef tongue! Enough for all of us!
I must continue until the end. Continue until what end?
I've never been so insulted in all my days!
Now get lost. You're starting to stink up the place.
Ugh, dreadful habit.
Mandy!
Hanging out in the alley. Figures. Excuse me. Must have been something I ate.
Excuse me. Look at me, so dainty and bird-like. So cage-ish, yet so gilded. Yes, at times I feel. No, wait, it's something new. I'm trying for the character.
Mina, are you drinking from the carton again?
No way, Dad. That would be gross. Really gross. Cheers! Good stuff.
Man, this is the perfect way to spend my day off.
Can I get another one of those cheese cups?
7 cup holders!
And gross, too. Excuse me.
What's up, Usada? You don't look so good.
Well, I kind of have heartburn.
All right, open up wide.
Usada! Retreat! Retreat!
That's rude. It couldn't have smelled that bad.
Awesome, hey, Nash? Good on you.
No rules rule. This is already underway.
Eureka!
You want to be project partners?
Yeah, no. Ashlyn? Hunter?
And not get eaten! That's oddly specific! We still...
People are gonna miss me when I'm...
Still a little nervous?
See the nervous wreck? Take a hearty swallow from your robo-kiddish cup, which will give me time to quickly make them up.
Doing what I've done.
Hey, you there with the freaky hairdo. Seriously, how can someone so idiotic be related to me? It sucks.
It's okay by me.
Seriously? Thanks, bro.
There is no way you're only 15.
To bottle up forever. You can't just blurt everything out.
Hey, dudes.
Yeah, that's okay. I may not have a boyfriend, but at least I have a few friends.
That was my celebration burp.
Oh, okay. Here's mine. I feel alive!
Are you seeing anyone?
Sniff on this!
Man, that's foul.
So? But I'm better now. Well, almost.
Bro.
This isn't news, it's a commercial!
I need a smoke.
Yeah.
Well, I ate breakfast like you asked, and I can prove it.
I don't know if a kid ought to be asking that kind of stuff, but I can't shake this feeling.
Please? That wasn't me!
The only thing wrong with that picture... Well, there's a lot wrong with that picture.
And I highly doubt it involves setting moons or magic doors. Ugh, excuse me.
Becky, are you okay? Maybe it was.
What happened?
Becky, you're back. And more elegant than ever.
Tina, you're spending the day with Kilbride's wife.
Even a slice of birthday cake from when I was a baby Chuck?
Make a wish.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh! Sleep.
Ooh! Well, excuse me, your specialness.
Oh, now that's pretty extraordinary.
I'm stuffed. I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh, excuse me. Me? I haven't eaten like this since
This morning.
Oops, my bad.
Please.
Oh, pardon me.
Oh, love, you're
burps are like the sweetest. Oh, wow. That one got in my eyes a little.
I need to lie down.
Now say, ah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Play with your food.
It will give us energy.
Tasty.
Excuse me. Uh-oh.
Sabrina, your skanky garlic breath is saving the day. Again, do it again. And aim towards Kinski. Bitchling, you're ruining everything.
Crazy baby.
Let's get...
Later. Gotta snag a shower.
Wash.
I don't know. Aren't you supposed to take it in doses?
Hey, if that stuff really works, you should be in for some major good luck.
Yeah?
But there's no way to behave in front of a princess.
Thanks.
Excuse me.
Thank you very much for the tea. Steven, why are you still hanging out with that thing? It's gross.
Pearls back! Pearls back! Pearls
Steven,
back,
what are you doing?
Pearls back! Pearls back! Pearls back!
I can't leave you guys alone for a second.
You can stop now.
Sorry, got carried away.
Six. Mini fridge, big burps. Enjoy the irony.
Oh, nasty!
Have fun cleaning up.
Girl's gonna feel that.
My, who knew Liquid Brand could be so tasty? Even on the return trip.
Sorry.
That'll make sense in a minute.
No.
Smell what you missed, sucker!
I can't figure her out. Is she into me or not? I wish she'd just give me a sign.
Excuse me.
And
Looks like Vito's only interested in classy girls. Yeah, go on, I'm listening.
Morris.
to failure.
You'll be burping like...
I need a fumigation squad, just... Oh... Yeah...
Kitty! That was a magician!
Is he boring?
That being said, I would really like to belch right now. Really?
Vous voulez mon avis? Ça manque de sel.